All right, one thing thunderstorms need for fuel, humidity, and there's a lot of it out there, and that fuel, that humidity, helping to create some downpours today, some heavy thunderstorms, lightning. It's fairly quiet locally, but we have storms just to our north, far northern Rhode Island, just north of Woonsocket, southern Worcester County, so really two clusters that we're watching. This first one is, you can see it north of Woonsocket, southern Worcester County. This is Franklin, Mass. A lot of lightning, downpours, some gusty wind with this. This is all tracking off to the east. Now, Kayla Fish is reporting live down in Barrington. The storm, now this storm is 35 miles away from Barrington, but she can still see the lightning way off in the distance on the northern horizon, and I'll show you why in just a second. Look at the lightning tracker. Again, most of this activity is just north of the Rhode Island border. So within the last 30 minutes, 75 lightning strikes. So that is one cluster. Now, what we can do with the Doppler radar is do like a CAT scan or a cross section of these storms, and it gives us a wealth of information. For one, it tells us how high in the atmosphere the storm is towering. So it is up to about 30,000 feet. So because the storm is so high that even 35 miles away south in Barrington, you can see the flashes of lightning in the distance. So this storm, in fact, it tells us a lot. For one, this little color of purple indicating maybe a little bit of hail within this storm. So again, that's north of the border right now. But notice the clusters of downpours and thunderstorms, and nothing shy about this on Doppler radar. Look at this. This is southwestern Connecticut. Hartford's right here. This is the Connecticut-Rhode Island border. So this is tracking north and east and arriving here later in the evening and during the overnight. That's why we still have the flood watch. Some of these downpours will produce locally some localized street flooding and some urban flooding. Warm, humid, but otherwise quiet in Providence. Flood watch continues through at least 2 o'clock in the morning, just for the simple fact that we still have localized heavy downpours and thunderstorms. Warm and humid temperatures that are well into the 70s to near 80. Dew points remain very high. That's the fuel, the high humidity, and that'll stick around through tomorrow. We topped out at 93 degrees today. Not as hot tomorrow. So here's the breakdown. Localized storms and downpours now through the overnight hours. Not every town getting one. Still humid for tomorrow, but not as hot. Temperatures in the 80s. And isolated passing thunderstorms can't be ruled out for tomorrow, too. Again, not every location catching one, but the chance is there. So here's the setup. We have a cold front right in here, draped to our north. As it slowly sinks to the south, it helps to enhance some of the thunderstorm activity. And the problem is that this front will stall, which means we'll have additional, albeit scattered, thunderstorms for tomorrow. So we take you into tomorrow morning. This is, well, actually overnight tonight. Storms winding down before daybreak, starting off with clouds early tomorrow morning. Then watch what happens. Little blips start to pop up during the afternoon. These are little isolated pop-up thunderstorms. Brief downpours can't be ruled out. Not every community getting one, but the chance is there later tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. So warm and humid once we get towards late morning and into the afternoon hours. Keep the umbrella on standby. Be weather aware. It's not in every community, but an isolated thunderstorm can't be ruled out. Still humid tomorrow, but not as hot. Cool with showers on Thursday. Friday looking okay, and the good news here, the weekend not bad. Sunshine both Saturday and Sunday with temperatures in the 80s. The kind of night where the weather may wake you up in the overnight hours, downpours, thunder, and lightning. If you have pets that don't do too well in storms like this, just be mindful of that. But again, be careful if you're out traveling late at night.
It's why it's good that we have those alerts too that come through the phone for when people are sleeping, if there's something you really need to be aware of.
Just make sure you have the settings set properly. Say, I want it set for a thunderstorm warning or a lightning alert, and then you'll get that alert on your phone.
All right, Tony, thank you. Coming up next in sports.